Hi, I'm Tiffany, and I'm a realtor here in Dallas with Halo Group Realty. And I use Swim Carefree exclusively because for several reasons. One, I had a pool at a rental property, and the pool heater apparently had gone out. And so I called a pool company, and they came out and gave me a quote to replace the pool heater, and it was about $3,000. And so I thought it was just important to get a few opinions. And so somehow I got in contact with Swim Carefree, and they came out, and they actually, for just a couple of seconds, looked at the pool heater and told me it's not broken, it just needs to be cleaned. And within an hour, they had it cleaned, they had it fired up and working, and I was just so impressed because I'd already told him that I needed a heater replacement. So he knew with that knowledge that he could probably go in and tell me that I needed a new pool heater and charge me $3,000. But he didn't. He went the extra mile to save me a lot of money and to get my pool heater up and running. And so I just thought that the character and the integrity of that was far above some other things that I've seen in this industry. And so as a realtor, if I'm going to refer someone to my clients, I need the background of integrity and character in that company. And Swim Carefree, they're always on time. They call me if anything's needed and get my approval before they do anything. If I call them, their communication and response rate is just always in an appropriate amount of time. And I wouldn't ever suggest anyone to buy a house with a pool without getting a pre-pool check. So during the inspection period, just call Swim Carefree and have them do a complete check of your pool, because there could be some hidden issues that a normal inspector won't catch. And so I'm always going to refer Swim Carefree above the rest because they have really earned that position in my book.
Hi, my name is Mark, and last year we needed some remodel work done on our pool, and I called a couple people in for bids and wound up using Swim Carefree. And the reason being is I had two bids, like I said. One, the first bid was not Swim Carefree, they were the last bid. And when they came over, I was immediately impressed by the knowledge that they had, more so than the first company. Chris is unbelievably knowledgeable in the pool business. He's been in the pool business for many, many years. And he explained everything, what they were going to do. It was basically, we had a weeping wall that after 11 years got eroded, and we needed to have it replaced, and we decided we wanted a retaining wall instead. Price was reasonable. It wasn't the lowest bid, but it was very close to the other bid. Based on the quality of work they did, which turned out to be awesome, they were worth every penny. So they came out, the mason guy did an incredible job with the wall. And then the plaster guys came, and Swim Carefree matched an 11-year-old Stonescape coating on the pool perfectly. You'll see some pictures of that, I'm sure, later. So we were just totally impressed with them. Awesome company, would recommend them, and they have great reviews anyway. So Swim Carefree is the company to go to in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, in my opinion.
Chris here to talk about Swim Carefree coming to my home. They Came in and on a home warranty call after really a couple horrible situations with a couple other pool companies that were sent out by my home warranty company. The technician that was sent to my home by Swim Carefree was kind and put us at rest pretty quickly, and went over what was wrong and knew what he was talking about. That being said, once he put Miss at ease, he went over a few other things, and I let him know that I was in the market to buy a new heater. After discussing with my wife, they put together a quote for a full salt system with a Jandy heater, Jandy pump, everything I run off my phone. I see back here my pool's better than it's ever been, and they take a lot of pride. I decided to buy the full service as well so they could take care of my pool, because I'm not comfortable taking care of the salt system yet and don't have the time either. Chris and Heather have been wonderful. They come to my home once a week. Pool's been better. We can tell immediately. Our friends, everyone notices the difference in the pool, and highly recommend a salt system for sure. It is a night and day difference. Don't really know what else to say about them other than thanks.
I'm Glenn. I looked around for a really long time to find a pool company that was reliable, that I could really count on. And about 7 years ago in my other house, I found Swim Carefree. They do a great job. I'd give them 5 stars if there was a rating system. They do all my maintenance, all my pool cleaning. They do deck repairs, anything I need, I can call them. Prices are reasonable. They don't give me a hard time. This is the second pool I've had with them. I've been with them about 7 years. And if I had to choose, I'd definitely choose them again.